Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from a second group. Our group is consists of myself, Renaldi Bagja Pratama, Rina Nuraini, Ropi Ramdhani, and Celsia Feparingusti. Today, we will be talking about United Nations Development Program. Next. Material discussion of this presentation is about definition of UNDP, history of UNDP, the purpose of UNDP, function of UNDP, and the last one is role of UNDP for Indonesian. So let's start the presentation with definition of UNDP will be delivered by Celsia Feparingusti.
My name is Sasia. I will presenting about definition and history of UNDP. Next. The United Nations Development Program (UNDP) in Indonesia is program pembangunan Perserikatan Bangsa-Bangsa is the United Nations Global Development Network. It promotes technical and investment cooperation among nations and advocates for change and connect countries to knowledge, experience, and resource to help the countries build a better life for themselves. The UNDP provides expert advice, training, and grant support to developing countries, with increasing emphasis on assistance to the least developed countries. UNDP works with a nation on their own solution to global and nation development challenges. As they develop local capacity, they draw on the people of UNDP and its wide range of partners. However, UNDP offers to help only if the different nation request it to do. The UNDP is funded entirely by voluntary contribution from members of the United Nations. The organization operates in 170 countries, especially Indonesia, where it works with local governments to meet development challenges and develop local capacity. It works internationally to help countries achieve the sustainable development goals. UNDP focuses on poverty reduction, HIV or AIDS, democratic governance, energy and environment, social development, and crisis prevention and recovery. The UNDP Human Development Report Office also publishes an annual human development report to measure and analyze developmental progress. Next. Founding of UNDP. The UNDP was founded on 22 November 1965 with the merge of the Expanded Program of Technical Assistance, or EPTA, and the Special Fund. The rationale was to avoid duplication of their activity. The EPTA was set up in 1949 to help the economics and political aspect of underdeveloped countries, while the Special Fund was to enlarge the scope of United Nations technical assistance. Countries such as Nordic countries were proponents of such a United Nations control fund. However, the fund was opposed by developed countries, especially by the United States, who was wary of the third world dominating such a funding and preferred it to be under the auspice of the World Bank. With the U.S. professing and creating the International Development Association, within the World Bank's umbrella, the EPTA and the Special Fund appear to be conducting a similar work. In 1962, the United Nations Economic and Social Council asked the Secretary General to consider the merits and disadvantages to merging United Nations Technical Assistance Program. And in the 1965, the EPTA and the Special Fund merged to form the United National Development Program. That's all for me. Next presentation by Renaldi.
Okay, this is the purpose of UNDP. UNDP was established with the aim of providing assistance both technically and financially, especially to encourage development in developing countries. UNDP also provide the best solution to solve contemporary global problems that occur in developing countries. UNDP overall goal is to contribute to sustainable human development. UNDP has 4 focus areas in its mandate. First, poverty reduction, democratic governance, in environment and energy, and the last one is crisis prevention and recovery. Next. Function of UNDP. The existence of UNDP has a main function as a United Nations organization engaged in the development of poor countries. In carrying out this function, UNDP focuses on the following development program. First, democratic governance. UNDP wants to help government institutions in a country to carrying out constitutional reform, organize election, and strengthen parliamentary condition, and direct policies for peace. And the second one is poverty reduction. UNDP helps countries to develop strategies to fight poverty by expanding access to economic opportunities and resources. Linking poverty program with countries' large goal and policies, and ensuring a greater voice for the poor. The third one is crisis prevention and recovery. UNDP will support and assist communities to build resilience as well as the ability to overcome problems and quickly get back on their feet. Where UNDP aim to reduce the risk of disaster or armed conflict and promote early recovery after crises occur. And the last one is environment and energy. UNDP seeks to address environmental issues in order to enhance developing countries to develop capacities in a sustainable manner. UNDP work to integrate issue of climate change, disaster risk, and a focus on building resilience and sustainable development. That's all for me. The next the next presentation will be delivered by Rina Nuraini.
Okay. Here I will explain about the role of UNDP for Indonesia. UNDP is at the service of Indonesia and its people. UNDP commits to support Indonesia's national priority and the implementation of Government of Indonesia Medium-Term Development Plan 2015 until 2019, and other national and local development vision, strategies, and plans. UNDP works to support Indonesia's fight against poverty, promote inclusive economic growth, reduce inequality between groups and regions, and have achieved the 70 Sustainable Development Goals by 2030 across the country. Okay, next. And this is the role of UNDP for Indonesia. The first is UNDP helps in the problem of poverty is the main problem that needs to be prioritized by the government. Over the past 50 years, UNDP has worked to reduce poverty and inequality and encourage human development. In this case, UNDP helps to create jobs and counseling so that Indonesian can be entrepreneurial. And second, help in environmental issue. UNDP help reduce air pollution and help to neutralize damage and environment both mild and severe. UNDP support the management of natural resources to protect Indonesia, plus tropical forests, rich seas, and unique biodiversity. A major program is the reduction of emission from deforestation and forest degradation. UNDP also support Indonesia Biodiversity Strategy and Action Plan 2015 and 20. In the energy sector, UNDP provides policy advice in implement pilot projects for access to energy. Okay, next, assisting in the problem of political economy, sociocultural, and national education success. The result in the cost of education in Indonesia is too expensive for the economic capability of the community. UNDP works with the government to strengthen the rule of law and access to justice and protect the rights of vulnerable groups. And the last, UNDP helps Indonesia to overcome the HIV or AIDS problem, in addition to helping in terms of treatment and the return to confidence. UNDP also helps Indonesia in terms of socialization to the public in order to protect themselves from dangerous HIV or AIDS disease. Okay, next, by Ropi.
Okay, next example of recent assessment include number 1, UNDP facilitated a strategic partnership between local government and 37 CSO to provide basic service, particularly for remote community in Papua and West Papua. This partnership has researched 114 communities and comfort service include community economic and enforcement through coconut oil and production, fish farming, improvement of early education through 5 school, and the development of the basic infrastructure. UNDP also facilitated the establishment of the community resource center to strengthen the capacity of development practitioners at the village level. And number 2, UNDP helped train more than 2,000 district government official, local, permanent, and INGO leaders to use poverty maps, MDG, scorecard, and provide budget analysis for the planning and the budgeting. As a result, budget allocation for human development active in the district in by at present. Number 3, since since 2006, UNDP has provided critical support to Indonesia nation HIV/AIDS program, helping to establish the national AIDS communication and channel multi-donor resource to the Indonesian Partnership Fund. There is number, UNDP has also support the public of policy favor on women participation in politics and government.
Okay, everyone, that is from we are about United Nations Development Program. If you have any question, you can drop the question in now. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.